Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I should mute all, right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Hmm? Okay. So I should retrieve what we have read. So my pace will be slow. My pace will be slow because if I just make a moderate speed, the networking may be disturbing you. That's why my pace will be slow, right? So yesterday Sudipta was telling that, sir, please brief them. A brief stanza should be briefed. Okay, I'm just within 10 minutes. I will just briefing what we have read. Okay. So tell me, not in monthful numbers, life is but an empty dream. For the soul is dead, dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. The poet speaks in this poem to a life of positivity, to a life of optimism. And he wants us to keep ourselves away from negativity. And the negatives are the impulsive nature of greed, misery, expectation, jealousy, anger, etc., etc., by which we are feeling sad all the time. We cannot just enjoy life in the manner that we should have. That is why we are sometimes gloomy. As the poet says that most of the people are unhappy in their lives. That's why he approaches to the people. Don't tell me, a large number of people, that life is a dream. Why they think so? The fact is that for the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. The subconscious state is dead, meaning thereby they have slept the subconscious state. They are governed by their mind. As I tell you that they have an internal world. The external creation is God's creation, but the internal creation is totally ours. We are responsible for all unhappiness that we nourish, we nurture, because we expect a lot, because we are always dissatisfied, because there is a big gap between the reality and our expectations. And that is why, and things are not what they seem. Life is beyond that. Life is not doomed with this internal world that we have set up. Life is beyond that. And if we can introspect our life, then only we can understand the positivity of life, the achievements that we can make, we can understand only when we introspect ourselves. Next, life is real, life is honest. He speaks that life has reality. It is not that what we feel. We will have to go beyond our feeling and we can understand that life has a reality. It is not a dream. Life is honest. Life has a purpose. We are directionless, right? That is why we have lost our purpose of living. Life is to be lived with. We have forgotten this. And the grave is not its goal. We have felt the body is the everything. Body is our everything. Whatever we do, it is for our body. We eat, we enjoy, we are happy only to satisfy our body. And the grave is not its goal. And we certainly think that why should we work? Why should we achieve something if that is not a permanent case? We will die one day. If death is the ultimatum, what is the meaning of life? But you see, dust thou art to dust thou returnest was not spoken of the soul. Dust thou art, your body came from the dust and will go to the dust one day. पंचमहाभूत का शरीर ये मिल जाएगा पंचमहाभूत में एक दिन. बस वही एक दिन अगले क्षण भी हो सकता है और 40 साल बाद भी आ सकता है. जब death ही ultimatum, why should one work? This we can think when we think I am is my body, but I am the soul. You see, the low quality.
Your phone was low quality. Your phone are low quality actually goes.
So I should ask. Ask one. Rasmita, I am audible. Unmute it. Try closing some applications. I am audible. Okay, ठीक है. अच्छा, श्रुति, I am audible. श्रुति,
Yes,
I am
sir.
audible. अच्छा, ठीक है. Thank you.
Yes,
मैं
sir.
ये पाखरे उठे जिन्स टा आସୁଛି तो low system resources may affect your audio quality. Low system resources. So try closing some applications to improve performance. कौन application आवर रही? Anyway, let us start. So was not spoken of the soul, right? So dust thou art. In the Bible, it is written that in every religion, it is written that dust thou art to dust thou returnest was not spoken of the soul. It is not spoken of the soul. The soul is immortal. सोल कभी मरता नहीं. जब से भगवान तब से जीव. शरीर मरता है, सोल कभी मरता नहीं. The soul is immortal, and we always feel that I am the body and my goal is to meet death. That's all. Because body will definitely one day it will go to dust, and life is not limited to that. Life is beyond that. Understand? Next, not enjoyment and not sorrow is our destiny and our way. If we feel or if we satisfy only our material pursuits, then we will always have either happiness or sorrow. There are two things left before us, either to be happy or to be sad. But life is beyond that. स्थिति प्रज्ञा. ना दुख में व्यस्तता, ना सुख में ज्यादा खुशी. Neither we can be happy in happiness nor sad in any gloomy situation. So you see, not enjoyment and not sorrow is our destiny and our way. Destiny means predetermined. Predetermined means whenever we are born, the action that we should make are predetermined, and our destiny and our way. But to act that each tomorrow finds us farther than today. But we should work for our goal. We should make a goal. What sort of goal? To be better, to do good for others. All the good qualities of God. What are the God's good qualities? Sympathy, kindness, honesty, humility, submission. These are the qualities of God. ये भगवान के दिव्य गुण होता है. Kindness, sympathy, सहानुभूति, दया, क्षमा, सहनशीलता दीनता एगुड़ा हूँ तुम गुड क्वालिटीज if you earn these good qualities then you can work good you can be honest to your work and you can give justice to your work तो देखो कर्माणि बाधिकारस्तु मा फलेषु कदाचन हमको कर्म करना पड़ेगा you will have to act and act good so that is why it is said but to act that age tomorrow so we should act we should work in such a way that our tomorrow could be a better tomorrow finds us further than today art is long and time is fleeting and our hearts though stout and brave still like muffled drums are beating funeral marches to the grave art is long achievements could be many krititva art means it is not painting right or it is not art or it is not painting art means krititva the achievements that we have in our life and time is fleeting you see time is personified time is considered to be a person who is all powerful समय के आगे सब फीका पड़ जाते हैं तो time is fleeting time is considered to be a thief here if we neglect ourselves ultimately we will lose many things in life and if neglecting means if we are idle कल करेंगे यही सोच ही खराब है जो करना है अब करना है अगर कल करेंगे तो कल का दिन कौन देखा है who has seen the tomorrow God has given today and this moment next moment is not under your control that's why art is now whatever you act now and you can achieve many things in your life time is fleeting there is a barrier that is time who is all powerful अगर करना है तो अब करो नहीं तो कब नहीं ये समय तुम्हें आगे नहीं मिलने वाला है तो and our hearts though stout and brave why he has said this because the young hearts are going older and the young hearts are stout and brave they are strong but as the time passes they become weak and the beating of the heart becomes slower and slower still like muffled drums are beating and it will beat the muffled drums I have explained you the other day yesterday I was explaining you muffled drum means a drum that is wrapped with white cloths to deaden the sound during the time of one's funeral in Christianity Christian धर्म जेतले शव यात्रा जाए सेतले आगे गोटे बैंड बहुत बड़ बैंड टे बाजू थाए ताकू धला कपड़ा रे गुड़ा ही थाए एवं ताकू मरा जाए ताकू मारला अनुच्च साउंड अल्प साउंड and this is a metaphor which is related to our heart beating हमर हृदय स्पंदन सहित ताकू रिलेट करा होची हमर हृदय स्पंदन को आमे जदी प्रत्येक मुहूर्त रे देखि पारिया इट इज बीटिंग मीनिंग देयर बाय इट मेक्स अस अवेयर that the body is going older and it will meet its death one day so that we can be conscious तेणु एठी कवि गोटे चेतावनी हमको दउछथि है ना तो funeral marches to the grave in the world's broad field of battle पुनी कोन कहउछन देखो पिले in the world's broad field of battle in the biopic of life the world is a great battlefield तो आमे जो सबोले भाबुचे पिले जन्मरु मरण पर्यंत आमको टिके सुख मिलंदा कि सबोले भाबुचे ना तमरो जीवन रो लक्ष्य कोन आनंद तेनु आमको टिके सुख मिलंदा कि हमर सबोले ई भावना रहला तो but the world is not you will have to the reality of the world is it is always troublesome the world is a large battlefield and we are the soldiers आमे समस्ते जने जने सैनिक केमिति इन द बायोभिक ऑफ लाइफ बायोभिक माने जो टेम्पररी कैंप द सोल्जर्स who are staying in a temporary camp during the war time bunker जो टाइम कहूचे राइट बा गोटे बुद्धा गोटे कहूचे किछि समय पय आमे रहिचे सेमति आमे संसार को आछे आमे किछि समय पय आछे एई किछि समय भितरे हमर कृतित्व को हमो देखिया पड़ियो डू और डाई दिस लाइफ इज सेटल्ड विथ डू और डाई हमको करना है नहीं तो मरना है राइट अगर मरने के बाद हम याद आएंगे तो हमको करना ही पड़ेगा और अच्छे कर्म करना पड़ेगा यही एडवाइस हमको लॉन्ग फेलो दे रहे हैं तो इन द वर्ल्ड्स ब्रॉड फील्ड ऑफ बैटल इन द बायोभिक ऑफ लाइफ बी नॉट लाइक डाउन ड्रिवन कैटल बी ए हीरो इन द स्ट्राइफ बी नॉट लाइक डाउन ड्रिवन कैटल इज also used as a metaphor. You see, a head of cattle has no independent thought. So they are dumb and they are driven by their master. They are dependent, helpless, and coward. They are not able to do any independent decision. They are always guided by their masters. Unless you are independent of yourself, you cannot set your life on the track. What you want to, how you want to live in life and what you get in life. If you are dependent, you cannot. Okay? So definitely, you must have your own decision. What you want to be in your life and how you want to be in your life, that can only be materialized when you are independent. You have an independent mind. Right? Next trust no future, however pleasant. The future is always uncertain. Don't trust it. However pleasant, however pleasurable, however entertaining the future could give you, the future could promise you, but don't trust in him. Why? Because it is uncertain. It is not definite. It may come or may not. It is yet to be born. Let the dead past bury its dead. Let the dead past bury its dead. The past is already dead. It has no relation in the present. Neither it could come to the present. That is why gatasya sochana nasti. Amar amar कोशरे अछि ना gatasya जो बीत गया वो चला गया वो कभी वापस नहीं आएंगे सोलेरो डायलॉग पढ़ते ना जो मर गया जो डर गया सो मर गया so you see this is also a lesson to us you cannot just apprehend to life you will have to face it to face the life is the greatest challenge in our daily routine so you see act in the living present so you see so what is left if the past is dead and the future is yet to come. So what is left? The present. So the poet approaches humbly that act in the living present. The present is lively and you will have to act in the present. And this is most valuable time. This is most prominent time that you can do something for yourself. To meet your destiny. So lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime. And departing behind, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Lives of great men. Lives of great men. Who are great men? The great men are those who have noble thoughts, noble deeds, noble character. Of the illustrious persons are the great men, महापुरुष. महापुरुष के गुण क्या होता है? जो समाज के लिए त्याग देते हैं, जो जन कल्याण के लिए अपने को प्रेरित करते हैं. Who is inspired himself for the well-being of the society. He is the great way. And when we can make our lives sublime, if we follow them, we can make our lives sublime. Sublime means worthy, noble, महत्व. आम जीवन को आम महत्वपूर्ण अध्याय देई परिबा जेतेबेले आमे सेमानकर जीवन को अनुध्यान करिवा. Remind us and departing. And सेतेबेले सेमाने departing माने when they leave their body. जेतेबेले सेमाने मृत्यु वरण करंती, even after the death they are immortal with their achievements. मरने के बाद भी वो हमारे लिए जीवित रहे. क्यों? They become immortal. कैसे? Through their achievements, through their deeds. स्वामी विवेकानंद को देख लो, रामकृष्ण परमहंस को देख लो, श्री राम, श्री कृष्ण, ये भी कभी यहाँ जन्म लिए थे. महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. There are many people, even after their death, we remember them. How? Gopabandhu Das, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, there could be many. They have given something to this society, given something to this world, and so they have become the legends of, and they became the role models before us. We remember them through their works. Even after their death, they are reminded in our mind. Right? So, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Footprints means their jobs, their works that they left before us. Footprints that perhaps another. Sailing over life's soul of name, a forlorn and shipwrecked brother, saying, shall take heart again. देखो पहले, footprints that perhaps another, sailing over life's soul of name. We can also be great persons like them. If we follow them, if they could become our role models, if their ideals become our ideal, then we can also be great persons like them. After our death, we can also leave behind such footprints to be followed by others. अगर हम उनको follow करें, तो even after our death also, we can also leave some people to follow our footprints. Say noble thoughts, say noble deeds. यदि हमें भी करिवा, ताले हमो अंते भी हमको लोग follow करिया को आसीबे. So during the course of their journey, such persons who have been greatly disappointed, the people equation are sailing over life's soul of man. Footprints that perhaps another. Footprints means that perhaps another. जो जिंदगी में कभी भी सफलता नहीं पाई. During the course of their journey, there are lots of people who have been disheartened with their life, who have been frustrated with their life, who have been depressed with their lives, and greatly disappointed in their failures and in their moral and material ruins. सब कुछ हरा दिया, फिर भी कुछ जिंदगी में नहीं मिला. वो आदमी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बन गया, डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गया. इसी में थोड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशंस हमारा ज्यादा रहता है. अगर हम ग्राउंडेड रहें तो ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन कभी भी नहीं आएगा. ग्राउंडेड माने जमीन से जुड़े हुए आदमी. एम हाई बट बी ग्राउंडेड. जमीन पे जुड़े रहो, यानी accept the facts that is appeared before you. If you expect more than that it is expected, then ultimately you will have failure and you will be disheartened. You see, sailing over life's soul of main. Main money it is sea. Is substitute now it is sea, right? Sailing over life's solemn. Solemn means serious and dignified. गंभीर और महत्वपूर्ण जीवन को जेतबे हमें एमिति डायरेक्शन लेस हेकरी हमें फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हे जाऊ, तबे कोन हो सेही समय रे if we achieve good things in life and we would have met our death, our footprints could save them from those entanglements. ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସେ ଘଡ଼ିସନ୍ଧି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଆମେ ହିଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମଡେଲ ହେଇପାରିବା। ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ କିଛି ମହାପୁରୁଷଙ୍କୁ ଫଲୋ କଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଗୁଣ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ଆମ ନିଜର ଦିନଚର୍ଯ୍ୟାରେ ସାମିଲ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଆମେ ମହାପୁରୁଷ ହେଲେ, ଆମେ ବି ସେଇ ସମାଜ ପାଇଁ କିଛି କଲେ, ଆମ ଅନ୍ତେ ବି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଜୀବନରେ ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟେଡ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଫଲୋ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ବି ଦିନେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁଖର ଜୀବନ ଯିବେ। ତ ଏ forlorn and shipwrecked brother, ଏ forlorn means totally isolated। ଦେଖ ଜୀବନ ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ ସମୁଦ୍ର ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ନାବିକଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଡଙ୍ଗାଟେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ବା ଗୋଟେ ଜାହାଜ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା, ଆଉ ସେତିକିବେଳେ ଥଳକୂଳ ନାହିଁ, ସମୁଦ୍ରରେ ଉବୁଟୁବୁ ହେଉଛି ନାବିକ। ସେ ସମୟ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ବତିଘର ତାକୁ ଦେଖାଗଲା, ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଷୀଣ ଆଶାର ଝଲକ ତାକୁ ଦେଖାଗଲା, ସେ ମରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା and he could get a shelter when he could see a lamp post। ବତିଘରଟେ ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ ସେ ତାକୁ ଜଣା ପଡିବ ନା ଏଇଠି ଜନବସତି ଅଛି, if I could reach there I could save my life। so ଜୀବନରେ ଆମକୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯେ ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇଫ ଇଜ ଫୁଲ ଅଫ ଆଡଭର୍ସିଟିଜ। ଜୀବନରେ ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ବିପରୀତ ବା ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଯାଇଥାଉ। ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଥାଉ, ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁ ସେମାନେ ବି ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ସାହସ ଆସେ, ନାଇଁ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ତ ପଡିବ, ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ବି କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ତ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନଟ ଡିସାର୍ଟେନ ମାଇସେଲ୍ଫ। କେବଳ ଇଏ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ନୁହେଁ, ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକା। ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଠି କୁହାହଉଛି ପିଲେ, ଏ forlorn and shipwrecked brother seeing shall take heart again। ଯେତେବେଳେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଥରେ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛି ଯେ ମୋ ପାଦରେ ପୁରୁଣା ଚପଲଟେ ଅଛି, ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବିଲକୁଲ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଚପଲ ପିନ୍ଧିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି, ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଦ ଦେଖିଲି ସେ ଚପଲ ହିଁ ପିନ୍ଧିନି। ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଛି, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲି ତାର ଦିଟା ଆଗ ଗୋଡ ନାହିଁ, ତଥାପି ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର କରନ୍ତି ଆମ ଲାଇଫରେ। ତ ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହନ ଆମେ ଜୀବନରେ ବହୁତ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ପାଇଥାଉ। ଏକ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋସ୍ପେକ୍ସନ, ନିଜକୁ ସମୀକ୍ଷା କରିଥାଉ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟର ସହନଶୀଳତାକୁ ବି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥାଉ, ଅନ୍ୟର ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ଅନ୍ୟର ସହନଶୀଳତାକୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥାଉ। ତ ରାମ ଏମିତି ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି। ରାମ ଯଦି କେବଳ ତାଙ୍କର ମହଲ ଭିତରେ ଥାନ୍ତେ, ସେ ରାଜା ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ହେଇକି ମରିଥାନ୍ତେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ରାମ ଯେତେବେଳେ 14 ବର୍ଷ ବନବାସ ଗଲେ ଏବଂ ସିଆଡୁ ଫେରିଲେ ଆଡଭର୍ସିଟି ନେଇକି, ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ବନ୍ଦେ ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ହେଇଗଲେ, ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ରାମ ମାନେ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ହୋଗେ। ତ ଆଡଭର୍ସିଟି ଆମକୁ ଯେମିତି ହଉ, ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଆମକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଆମକୁ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ସେଇ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହିଁ ଆମକୁ ଜିତେଇବ। ସେ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଆମେ କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇବା ନା ମହାପୁରୁଷ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା, ସେମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଜୀବନକୁ କେମିତି ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରତି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଆମ ନିଜ ଜୀବନକୁ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିବା ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟର ଜୀବନ କେମିତି ସେମାନେ ବିତେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ବି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା। ତ so they will see the footprints and will be encouraged to face any situation and overcome the hardships in their lives। Last paragraph पे देखो, it is most important। The advises, the poet wants us, urges us to give some advice, and he has given। And the last, you see, last para, let us then be up and doing। If you have understood how to lead a life with all the adverse situations, then let us then be up and doing। So let us aware, let us be conscious, let us be born with self-consciousness, with a heart for any fate। Get yourself prepared for any situation। Don't expect happiness, don't expect sorrow, but let us face the challenges of the world। The world before us is full of challenge. We will have to accept it with a heart for any fate। You just do your duty, don't expect anything in return. कर्मेणि वाधिकारस्तु मां फलेषु कदाचन, यानी कर्म अर्जुन तो कर्म करता चल, फल की कभी भी आशा मत रखना. So we shall do our duties, but never expect anything in return. Still achieving and still for pursuing. Don't be contented with the job that you are doing. हमेशा stay hungry and stay foolish. We will read Steve Jobs. Stay hungry means you will always be starved to learn. Every day is a new experience for us. Every achievement leads to another achievement. Don't be reconciling yourself. Don't be content. Don't be complacent to yourself. There is many things to do in your life. Only your achievements are not the destiny. Your achievements is a journey. Success is a journey. It is not a destination. Still achieving, still pursuing. करता चल, तू कर्म करता चल, पीछे मत देख. जितनों दिन तक तुम जीवित रहे, तू कर्म करता चल. There is no retirement. गवर्नमेंट रिटायरमेंट अच्छी, जिंदगी में कोई रिटायरमेंट नहीं है. जिस दिन तू मरेगा, बस उस दिन तू जाएगा. उसी दिन तक तुझे लड़ना पड़ेगा. Still achieving, still pursuing. Learn to labor and to wait. Learn to labor. हमेशा कुछ करने की प्रतीक्षा रखो. Don't be idle. Learn. There is no age. There is no age limited for learning. At the age of 63, an old lady wanted to learn karate, and at the age of 65, she was the champion of karate. This is a true story, right? So there is no age bar for learning. Learn to labor. Parishram karna seekh. Don't be idle. Don't make excuses for doing something. And to wait. And dharya. And to wait means apeksha nahi kare. And to be patient. And to enhance perseverance in your पर्सनालिटी. धैर्य रख, तो कर्म करता चल, धैर्य रख. ये लास्ट को हम कह जाओ पहले. सो इट्स ए वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल पोएम दैट आई लाइक दिस पोएम वेरी मच. मोर कॉलेज करियर रे इट वाज द बेस्ट पोएम दैट आई एवर हैड. मो पई सबटु बेस्ट पोएम थिला. टाइम एंड अगेन आई यूज्ड टू रीड दिस पोएम and I got much inspiration. Even you should see, if you could see the corporate sectors, they have also followed this structure. In the manager's room, the poems are written in a very distinctive manner. बहुत बड़ बड़ poem ये poem गुड़ा लिखा है. कितने corporate रे गुड़ा सब लिखा है, right? Trust no future, however pleasant. Let the dead past body its dead. Act in the living present. Heart within and God over it. Life is real. Life is honest. And the grave is not its goal. Dust thou art, to dust thou returnest. Was not spoken of the soul. These lines have been written in the corporate sectors. So this is a very interesting and most inspirational point. And it will definitely give you scope to go ahead. Understand? When during the period of your frustration, during the period of idleness, if you just read and with a focus, मन लगाकर अगर पढ़ोगे तो definitely it could inspire you to go ahead. Okay, thank you. मु बर्तमान एटी सरोज पिले 4 मिनिट अछि पिले 4 मिनिट परे आउ थरे मु ऑन करिवि हला. तो तार का जदी पचार पिले मु आउ गोटे जिंस भाबुतिली जे हमें तो ये क्लास गुड़ा करूचे. मु एक्चुअली आर शटडाउन जो 4 दिन हो पिले से टाइम रे मु खाली एबे वीडियो गुड़ा सब करूची हला. तो वीडियो रो रिलैक्स हे गेले मु कोन करिवि तुमको आज राति रे 10टा बेले गोटे क्लास देबी. से माने ही आसंतु जो मानो किछि डाउट अछि. समस्त आसिया दरकार नहीं, बट माई ए लिंक रे ही करिवि हला. आज राति रे 10टा बेले तार कोन डाउट अछि मते पचारि. हला एनी डाउट्स इफ यू हैव देखो पिले पढ़िले डाउट बाहरियो हला पढ़िले ही डाउट बाहरियो आ नाही सर मोर किछि डाउट नाही माने तुम तो विज्ञ नु विज्ञ हेतिले मो पाक पढ़िया व्यस्तंत तुम विज्ञ नु तेणु जदि तुम कहतो नाही सर मोर डाउट नाही पूरा आपण जहा कहउछनी पूरा पी देछि हला जदि भाबिलो मु भाबी जे तुम पढुनो तुम पढ़ी तुमको किसी डाउट बाहर मु मोर पारु पर्यंत चेष्टा करुच्ची पिले प्रत्येक एंगल रे मु बतौछि तुम वीडियो देख मोर ग्रामर वीडियो देख मोर प्रत्येक एंगल तुम माइंड को क्वेश्चन आसिया भीतर मु तार आंसर कर देथि हैला तेणु से जको मु बनै थाउछि बहुत चिंता योजना करी ता बाहर भी तुमरो किसी डाउट रहिथियो आमे तो देतु बर्तन पिले ऑफ क्लास नाही जे तुम जेतले आसियो पचार दो फोन करी पळे आसियो बर्तन तो सेमती नाही तो आमे कौन करियो पड़ियो ना हमरो जो क्लास गुडा तो चालुची से भितरे राति 10टा बेले तुम तो सोई नथियो ना 10टा बेले सोई पड़छो जदी सो नथियो मु 10टा बेले किछि पिला या आसी पारियो मु ओपन रखिबी आधा घंटा पे ओपन रखिबी तो तुम जहा डाउट थियो मते पचारियो सेटा इंटरेक्ट करिया ए क्लास ता हमरो ये रखिया अच्छा ठीक আছে जदी आ कोन आज तो पढेइली जदि मु रिव्यू भी कर देली आ तीनटा स्टांजा पढैछि मु ऑन करछि पिले ऑन जदि कोन पचरिया अछि मते पचार बर्तन मु तुमको पीडीएफ फाइल दे दीछि पिले ओ प्रोज वर्जन ता भी देछि ताठ भी बहुत किछि जाई देखो प्रोज वर्जन मु सिंक्रोनाइज करे काहे कॉपी मोर याडी साडे पळै जिवो मो पिला को बाहर सब जाको सब माने महापुरुष जाको ना तेणु का दे देबे तेणु करी मु ताको शॉर्ट रे लिखुछि किंतु मो पाखरे ही पूरा डिटेल आसीयो मो पाखु जी आसीयो मु सेठी डिटेलिंग हे परियो हला तो बर्तन तमे निजे अनम्यूट कर परियो बोले जार पचारिया अछि पचार निजे तमे अनम्यूट कर परियो कलो देखियो बस तुमको अनम्यूट देली तमे निजे अनम्यूट करो कहला परे बंद करियो कोन पचारिया अछि पचार अच्छा प्रथम कथा होछि वॉइस ठीक अछि ना नहीं
Yes, sir.
पूरा सुबह
Yes,
ना
sir.
किछ डिस्टर्ब है ना
No, sir.
अच्छा ठीक अछि आ केमति लागु छि रे पढियाटा ऑनलाइन रे
किछु पढे
हां ठीक अछि केमति how do you experience online classes श्रुति
Yes, sir.
हां केमति लागु छि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस माने भल लागु छि ना फोकस रहउ छि ना माइंड
हाँ, sir.
देखो डिसेंबर पर्यंत तमरो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ही होबो तमरो ऑफलाइन बिल्कुल होबोनी